everybody, I'm Jimmy with Advanced Auto Parts, and today I'm going to show you some of the common signs of how to tell if you have a dead battery. Usually, a battery will die slowly and provide some advance notice. There are exceptions, of course, such as a premature bad cell. But in most cases, one or more of the following symptoms are usually present. If your battery is more than 3 to 4 years old, it may be nearing the end of its life. Look for a round sticker that has a month and year on your battery if you don't know when it was replaced last. Your battery light does not indicate a problem with the battery. It's normal for your battery light to come on and then go out right when you start the car. But if it comes on while you're driving, that's a clear indication that your charging system has a problem. And it's often the result of a failing alternator. Your battery's job is to start the car. It's your alternator that generates the power that keeps it running and recharges the battery. Also note that when your alternator fails, such a strain is placed on the battery that it often needs to be replaced as well. If your battery is strong enough to provide power to your electronic components, but not strong enough to fully energize the starter, you might be dealing with a bad starter. In this case, jump-starting your vehicle and multiple attempts at turning the key would be your next step. If these steps successfully start the vehicle, it's time for a new battery. You turn the key, the engine cranks, making a sluggish whirring sound for longer than usual before the engine starts. If this is happening, it may be time to test the battery. If your engine is sluggish when you turn the key, pop your hood and take a look at the battery. If you see a lot of fluffy blue corrosion, usually at the positive terminal, your battery is either giving off acidic fumes or it's leaking actual battery acid. Both of these conditions create resistance between the battery and the cables, which lowers its voltage and therefore efficiency. Car batteries lose their ability to hold a charge as they age. If you have an older battery that doesn't seem to hold its charge as well as it used to, it's probably time for a new one. But what about if your battery is new and requires jump starts? You might have a battery that is prematurely wearing out. Check your warranty if testing the battery indicates replacement is needed. Less commonly, there may be an electronic component in the car that draws a current even after the car is shut off. Just a click from under the hood when you turn the key is one step beyond the slow start. If the battery's a problem, you should be able to give it a jump start and be on your way. But again, you should be on your way to your local Advance to have your battery tested. Whether you want to test your starting and charging system, or you need a replacement battery, your local Advanced Auto Parts is happy to assist and get you back on your way.